or manifesting them into reality, whatever we wish to do. What kind of the visualization that we have to brought into?
See, what you want, command it with your will. Please understand one thing. All of you listen. Your will is the umbilical cord connection between your individual soul and the cosmos. If you shake your individual soul with your will, cosmos has to shiver, because it is connected through the spiritual umbilical cord, your will. I don't know how many of you read in Puranas. A yogi sits under the tree and starts meditating, creating certain will to get that boon, and Indraloka burns, Devaloka shakes, and Indra has to run, Brahma has to run to attend. It is true. If you sit here and create a will, if you can shake your individual soul, your individuality with your will, naturally you will make the cosmos shake, move. Visualize very as clearly as you can what you want as your life, how you want your life to be manifested, and will it. Understand, when you will, multiple energies in your biomemory, in your muscle memory, in your system gets integrated to that will. Actually, you have multiple energies inside you. Unfortunately, all of them are in their own direction. Even complete you do not know what you want. Because morning you told yourself you want this. By noon you already changed. By night it is different. By the time your first order reaches from head to toe, there is a second order. By the time that reaches from your head to toe, your desires have changed. Even you as whole do not know what you want.
Individual will is obstacled by nervousness and fear mostly.
Again, that is again your disturbed ideas about you. You can clearly tell yourself even that to be healed by your own will. Understand? Your will, actually this which you are saying, nervousness and all that, is nothing but your decision not to will. So your will can heal it, and I will support it.